Hello friends, welcome to Itty Bitty Storytime. Glad to see you today. I miss you while we're not at the library, but I'm glad you came to Storytime like this. Let's see if our friend Spot is here today. I see his basket. Spot, Spot, wake up. Your friends are here for Storytime. Come on out of there, sleepy Spot. There he is. Hi, Spot. How are you? Spot, are you ready to do some hello everybody singing? Okay, Spot's ready. Hello everybody, how are you? Hello everybody, how are you? Hello everybody, how are you? How are you today? I'm fine, Spot. Are you fine? Okay, Spot, okay. You look fine. Our stories today are about an animal that's black and white like you. But it's not a dog, it's a penguin. If you don't know what a penguin is, look at our story time and we'll read a story about them. Are you excited? Okay, hop in your basket and you can find out what a penguin is. Let's do our story time stretch. Ready? Stretch up, down, turn around. Touch the sky, touch the ground. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, wiggle your shoulders and wave. Hello! Let's sing our hello song. Get your hands ready. Say hello and clap hands, clap hands, clap hands. Say hello and clap hands, hello friends. Get your feet ready. Remember when you stomp, stomp, stomp on the floor, I can hear them. Say hello and tap your toes, tap your toes, tap your toes. Say hello and tap your toes, hello friends. Let's get ready to shake our head. Say hello and shake your head, shake your head, shake your head. Say hello and shake your head, hello friends. And let's get ready to blink, blink, blink our eyes. Ready? Say hello and blink your eyes, blink your eyes, blink your eyes. Say hello and blink your eyes, hello friends. I see a snowman up there. It snows in the winter and we can make snowmen. I have a snowman to sing with us. Come on over, Mr. Snowman. He's wearing a hat and a scarf, 2 button eyes, a carrot nose, and 1, 2, 3 little buttons. I'm a little snowman, short and fat. Here is my scarf, here is my hat. When the sun comes out, I melt away. But when it snows, I come back to play. I'm a little snowman, short and fat. Here is my scarf, here is my hat. When the sun comes out, I melt away. But when it snows, I come back to play. When it snows, he'll come back to play. Who else likes to play in the snow? Penguins do. This book is about penguins. They're black and white. Let's say a little rhyme about penguins before we read our story. Get 1, 2 fingers up. Get your pointer fingers ready. We're going to say a little rhyme. 2 little penguins sitting on the ice. One slides once and one slides twice. 1, 2. Waddle, little penguins, waddle away. Come back, penguins. Time to play. Woo, you did that so good. Let's do it again. Get 1, 2 fingers ready. 2 little penguins sitting on the ice. One slides once and one slides twice. 1, 2. Waddle, little penguins, waddle away. Come back, penguins. Time to play. I see two penguins. 1, 2. They look alike. They both have 2 eyes and a little beak. They have 2 orange feet. They're black and white. But this penguin has something different. Can you see his feathers? He has yellow feathers on top of his head. This penguin does not have feathers. Let's read our story and find out why. Let's read our penguin story. Penguins, Penguins Everywhere by Bob Barnes. Some penguins live in icy places with ice and snow. Some penguins live in the heat with lots of sunshine. Their colors help them hide when they fish for fishy treats. See the penguins fishing? Cold penguins huddle together to stay warm. They're giving each other lots of penguin hugs. Daddies warm their fragile eggs with lots of tender care. There's Daddy's feet. Daddy's holding the egg on his feet. And they also hold the babies on their feet. Hot penguins fluff their feathers to cool off from the sun. There's the penguin with the fluffy yellow feathers. He fluffs up his feathers like that to cool off from the sun. Can you fluff up your feathers? Noisy penguins waddle and toboggan to the sea. The penguins are sliding down to the water on their tummies, right through the snow. Each penguin honks to find its mate wherever it may be. Let's honk, 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 honk. Penguins watch for sneaky seals when they swim and splash and play. Sleepy little penguins end a perfect day. They've had a busy day splashing and swimming and fishing. Now they're going to sleep. Good night, little penguins. Penguins, penguins everywhere. Our snowman is back for music time. Do you remember our song about I'm a little snowman, short and fat? Let's sing that one again. I'm a little snowman, short and fat. Here is my scarf, here is my hat. When the sun comes out, I melt away. But when it snows, I come back to play. Here's another song about a snowman. Once there was a snowman, a snowman, a snowman. Once there was a snowman so tall, 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 so tall. Then the sun came out and what will happen? In the snow he melted, he melted, he melted. In the snow he melted so small, small, small. He'll come back again when the sun shines. How about we get something out of our music basket? Let's get our Storytime scarves. If you don't have your Storytime scarf, you can use your blanket or a towel, or you can wave your hands. Snow falls down, down, down. We're going to use our scarves like snow. Ready? Snow is falling, snow is falling to the ground, to the ground. Now it's going to whirl and twirl around. whirling and twirling, whirling and twirling, all around, all around. Yay! Get a hold of your scarf. Let's practice that one again. Snow is falling, snow is falling to the ground, to the ground, whirling and twirling, whirling and twirling, all around, all around. Yay, nice job with your scarves. How about let's do a little clapping with our hands? We can sing this song.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
Is it Christmas time? Not anymore. I think that silly snowman wants to sing Merry Christmas. Okay, Mr. Snowman, we're not going to sing Merry Christmas. We're going to sing a clapping song. Silly snowman, he tried to sing Merry Christmas. We're going to sing a clapping song, snowman. Are you ready to clap? Okay, let's clap. Get those hands ready. I hear your hands clapping. Do you hear my hands clapping? Hands are for clapping, clapping to this song. Hands are for clapping. Let's all clap along.
Clap your hands.
I hear some clapping. Now what?
Now your toes.
Toes. I hear some toes tapping.
Tapping to this song.
Tap those toes.
Toes are for tapping. Let's all tap along. Tap your
those toes. I hear them. Lots of tapping. Now what?
Now with your fingers. Fingers are for snapping.
Can you snap your fingers?
Fingers
Let's
are for
snap along.
snapping. Let's all snap along. Snap your fingers.
Sometimes I say snapping's hard. If you can't snap, just wiggle. Wiggle those fingers.
Get
Now
a beat on
what?
your knees for this one.
Knees.
Knees are
I
for
have
slapping.
knees.
Slapping to
Gonna
this
take our
song.
hands and slap our knees.
Knees are for
Ready?
slapping.
You can
Let's
hear
all
it.
slap along. Slap your knees.
Slap those knees. Now
Now this one's
what?
good for you.
This is a silly one. Get your
for
finger
brushing.
ready. We're gonna brush our
Brushing to
teeth.
this song.
Are you ready?
Teeth
I'm ready.
are for brushing.
Let's see those
Let's
teeth.
all brush along like this. Clap your hands. Hands are for clapping. Clapping to this song. Hands are for clapping. Let's all clap along.
And whistling. Yay! Nice clapping and tapping. Whew, good job. Don't forget to get your Storytime sack. It has a penguin inside that you can make, and another surprise for next week's Storytime. Keep checking the calendar. All right, let's say our goodbye rhyme. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is fast, Fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is wave, wave, wave. Time to go, go, go. Bye. See you next time.